Here's the 1988 4-ton high efficiency Kenmore. Serial number, model number CA5048QKA1, serial number L883693-760, from the 36th week of 1988 Focus. Thank you. Here's the logo. Kenmore. Focus. There we go. Okay, that's better. And hold on. Here's the Trane XE1000 high efficiency 10-seater air conditioner. There are the specs on it. Manufactured February of 1999. Model number TTR030C100A3, 2.5 ton. Climate reciprocating compressor. And over there, the Kenmore. Kenmore has R22, as does this. Mineral oil and R22. And I'm not gonna get close to it again, like I did in the other video. There's the 3-ton 2002. What is it? An 02. It's an 02. No, it's a 2003. 2003 3-ton Frigidaire piece of you know what. Got a Copeland reciprocating compressor and R22 and mineral oil. 10-seer. It's very loud. I mean, like, it's a 3-ton. That house doesn't have a basement. It's matched up to 90% plus gas furnace located in the crawl space. My grandparents' house has a basement. This house doesn't. That house just has a crawl space. There's the Trane. And those houses back there just have a ton of units. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Over and out.